Today we'll speak about operating system, and operating system in your PC and operating system in your life, in your mind. And operating system in your mind is your vision and the mindset. So today we'll speak about four steps that you need to take to install the operating system, and 4 steps that you need to take to install the vision and mindset, because both of them is very important to make things happen in laptop and in your life. So the first step is that in operating system that you need to find and download the software file, operating system file. In real life, you need to find and connect with a mentor. In operating system, you need to find where you download it and start installing the operating system. In real life, you need to build your vision and start installing it. In 3 at operating system is that you need to follow the instructions how to install the operating system. Now in real life, you need exactly the same. You need to follow the mentor's advice and instructions how to install your vision and mindset. Now the number 4 is that when you install the operating system, you're able to start open different applications, different softwares to make things happen. Exactly the same in life. When you finally you install your vision and your mindset, you're able to start taking actions to make things happen in life. So now when you think about operating system is always getting better, improves. There's a lot of updates, and you always need to make sure that you're up to date, because when you think about new games, new technologies, new softwares coming in, and they are coming to new operating systems. So that means if you have very old, 20 years old operating system, and new technologies will not work on your old operating system. So you always need to reinstall and update for that there is no bugs in your operating system. Exactly the same with your mindset and with your vision. You constantly need to review it, because if you try to achieve the things currently with your 20 years ago your vision, you will never be able to improve it. You'll never be able to get into things that you want. You always need to improve your vision, reinstall your vision, and see where you are. And sometimes you need to fix the bugs, because sometimes maybe some negativity, maybe some kind of fear of failure, maybe fear of rejection. All those bugs need to be fixed. And when you fix those things, you're able to go and pursue the things that you want. Now, when I think about operating system and the mindset and the vision, it seems that there is a lot of similarities. Now, the most important part is that you choose who you allow to install it. Because if you are not intentional, someone could install wrong operating system. In your laptop, someone could potentially put a lot of viruses while installing an operating system. Exactly the same in real life. If you allow someone else to install your operating system, your vision and your mindset, there could be so many viruses that it will slow you down. You will not be able to pursue the things that you want, because you will need to fix all those viruses. And sometimes when you're not intentional and sleepwalking, that society is uploading all the systems and uploading all the stuff that you need. And then when you allow society to upload operating system, your vision and your mindset, you're not able to achieve the things that you want, because you don't know what you want. So that means when you're really intentional, and this is exactly say, this is what I want, this is my vision, this is my mindset that I need to achieve this, I truly believe that you're able to achieve whatever you want, because you are intentional about building your vision, building your life. So I hope you will choose to win, and see you tomorrow.